Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of the Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, recently? A. Suman Sharma. B. Preeti Sudan. C. Pradeep Kumar Joshi. D. Rajiv Nayan. The correct answer is B. Which country hosts International Conference of Agricultural Economists? A. Bhutan. B. Myanmar. C. Nepal. D. India. The correct answer is D. Golan Heights, recently seen in the news, is located in which country? A. Iraq. B. Syria. C. Yemen. D. Oman. The correct answer is B. What is the primary objective of Parak initiative, recently seen in news? A. Developing new textbooks. B. Standardizing school board assessments nationwide. C. Conducting teacher training workshops. D. Setting up new schools. The correct answer is A. Pangong Lake, recently seen in the news, is located in which state UT? A. Assam. B. Kerala. C. Ladakh. D. Sikkim. The correct answer is C. Ladli Behna scheme, recently seen in the news, is launched by which state? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Gujarat. D. Rajasthan. The correct answer is B. Krishnaraja Sagar, KRS, dam, recently seen in the news, is located in which state? A. Karnataka. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Gujarat. D. Kerala. The correct answer is A. Tejas Light Combat Aircraft, recently seen in the news, is developed by which organization? A. DRDO. B. ISRO. C. BALE. D. Jaksha. The correct answer is A. Leqembi drug, which was seen in the news, is used to treat which disease? A. Dengue. B. Alzheimer. C. TB. D. Blood cancer. The correct answer is B. Ministry of Culture recently hosted State Museum Conclave at which place? A. Udaipur, Rajasthan. B. Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. C. Bhopal, MP. D. Ayodhya, UP. The correct answer is B. What is genetic screening, recently mentioned in news? A. A tool to identify individuals at higher risk for developing a specific disorder. B. A method to change an individual's genetic material. C. A process to determine one's hair or eye color. D. A technique to cure genetic disorders. The correct answer is A. What is the causative agent of Lyme disease, recently seen in news? A. Virus. B. Fungus. C. Bacteria. D. Protozoa. The correct answer is C. Which country hosted the exercise Pitch Black 2024? A. Russia. B. China. C. Australia. D. Japan. The correct answer is C. Koderma Thermal Power Station, recently seen in the news, is located in which state? A. Odisha. B. Jharkhand. C. Maharashtra. D. Kerala. The correct answer is B. Recently, which ministry has launched eSaksha, Nyaya Setu, Nyaya Shruti and eSaman app for 3 new criminal laws in Chandigarh? A. Ministry of Home Affairs. B. Ministry of Law and Justice. C. Ministry of Defense. D. Ministry of Urban Development. The correct answer is A. Recently, where was the 5th meeting of the ASEAN India Trade in Goods Agreement, ATIGA, Joint Committee held? A. Jakarta. B. New Delhi. C. Moscow. D. Beijing. The correct answer is A. What is Methylocurcumis oryzae, recently seen in news? A. Virus. B. Protozoa. C. Fungus. D. Bacteria. The correct answer is D. What is the main purpose of the Standardized Precipitation Index, SPI, recently seen in news? A. To estimate temperature variations. B. To measure soil moisture. C. To estimate wet or dry conditions based on precipitation data. D. To analyze wind patterns. The correct answer is C. What is the origin of Sone River, recently seen in news? A. Amraknatak Highlands. B. Shivpuri Hill. C. Western Ghats. D. Zemu Glacier. The correct answer is A. What is the main objective of the Nandini Sehkar scheme, recently seen in news? A. To provide financial assistance to men-led cooperatives. B. To improve the socio-economic status of women through women cooperatives. C. To promote entrepreneurship among youth. D. To support rural development projects. The correct answer is B. Recently, which 3 names were given to the underwater structures in the Indian Ocean? A. Ashoka, Chandragupta, and Kalpatru. B. Mahatma, Nehru, and Gandhi. C. Himalaya, Ganga, and Krishna. D. Shiva, Vishnu, and Brahma. The correct answer is A. What is the primary objective of the Clean Plant Program, CPP, recently seen in news? A. To increase the number of dairy farms. B. To expand urban green spaces. C. To improve livestock health. D. To provide access to virus-free, high-quality planting materials to farmers. The correct answer is D. Mitra Shakti, recently seen in the news, is a joint military exercise between India and which country? A. Sri Lanka. B. Malaysia. C. Singapore. D. Australia. The correct answer is A. Neelkuranji plant, recently seen in news, is mostly found in which region of India? A. Ladakh. B. Western Ghats. C. Northeastern. D. Rajasthan. The correct answer is B. How many medals were won by India at Paris Olympics 2024? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 9. The correct answer is B. Which day is observed as World Elephant Day every year? A. 10th August. B. 11th August. C. 12th August. D. 13th August. The correct answer is C. What is tantalum, recently seen in news? A. Black hole. B. Rare metal. C. Asteroid. D. Submarine. The correct answer is B. What is a collision avoidance system, CAS, recently seen in news? A. A method for increasing train speed. B. A system for enhancing passenger comfort by improving the train's aesthetics. C. A method for increasing trains' fuel efficiency. D. A collection of technologies to help a vehicle avoid collisions with other vehicles or obstacles. The correct answer is D. What is the primary objective of the Jio-Parsi scheme, recently seen in news? A. To promote the education of Parsi children. B. To reverse the declining trend of the Parsi population. C. To provide financial aid for Parsi businesses. D. To encourage Parsi cultural activities. The correct answer is B. Recently, DRDO and the Indian Army have successfully test-fired indigenously built man-portable anti-tank guided missile, MPATGM, at which region? A. Porbandar, Gujarat. B. Pokhran, Rajasthan. C. Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. D. Nagpattinam, Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is B. Koderma Thermal Power Station, recently seen in the news, is located in which state? A. Odisha. B. Jharkhand. C. Maharashtra. D. Kerala. The correct answer is B. Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve, recently seen in the news, is located in which state? A. Odisha. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Gujarat. The correct answer is C. Ladki Bahin Yojana, recently seen in the news, is associated with which state? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Maharashtra. C. Kerala. D. Odisha. The correct answer is B. Which state government recently launched Upasthiti portal for health department employees? A. Jharkhand. B. Bihar. C. Odisha. D. Gujarat. The correct answer is A. Auroville Cultural Township, recently seen in the news, is administered by which ministry? A. Ministry of Culture. B. Ministry of Education. C. Ministry of Home Affairs. D. Ministry of Urban Development. The correct answer is B. Recently, Coal India Ltd and GAIL, India, Ltd have signed a pact to establish a coal to synthetic natural gas plant in which region of West Bengal? A. Raniganj. B. Bankura. C. Nadia. D. Malda. The correct answer is A. What is the main objective of the QCI Surajya Recognition and Ranking Framework, recently seen in news? A. To increase tourism in India. B. To drive excellence among states and improve citizens' quality of life. C. To promote international trade. D. To reduce government spending. The correct answer is B. Recently, which state government has approved Logistic Policy 2024 to create 5 lakhs job opportunities? A. Karnataka. B. Assam. C. Maharashtra. D. Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is C. What is Waqf? Recently seen in news. A. A property dedicated in the name of God for religious and charitable purposes. B. A government-owned property. C. A property dedicated for personal use. D. A temporary donation of property. The correct answer is A. Recently, India exported its first GI-tagged fig juice to which country? A. Poland. B. Malaysia. C. Thailand. D. Indonesia. The correct answer is A. What is the main objective of the Model Solar Village initiative, recently seen in news? A. Increase agricultural production. B. Promote solar energy adoption. C. Improve healthcare facilities. D. Develop educational institutions. The correct answer is B. How many climate resilient seed varieties were launched by the Prime Minister of India at the Indian Agricultural Research Institute? A. 100. B. 109. C. 120. D. 124. The correct answer is B. Recently, DRDO and the Indian Army have successfully test-fired indigenously built man-portable anti-tank guided missile, MPATGM, at which region? A. Porbandar, Gujarat. B. Pokhran, Rajasthan. C. Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. D. Nagpattinam, Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is B. Recently, who has been appointed as the new head coach of junior men's hockey team? A. Ashok Kumar. B. P.R. Shrijesh. C. Harmanpreet Singh. D. Balbir Singh. The correct answer is B. Nanjarayan Bird Sanctuary and Kajuveli Bird Sanctuary, recently seen in news, are located in which state? A. Karnataka. B. Kerala. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is D. Recently, which state government has launched Himanati scheme to boost natural farming? A. Himachal Pradesh. B. Uttarakhand. C. Gujarat. D. Rajasthan. The correct answer is A. What are biosurfactants, recently mentioned in news? A. Inorganic compounds. B. Surface active molecules produced by microorganisms. C. Synthetic chemicals. D. Plant-based hormones. The correct answer is B. Namdapha Tiger Reserve, recently seen in the news, is located in which state? A. Assam. B. Karnataka. C. Arunachal Pradesh. D. Odisha. The correct answer is C. How many gallantry awards were approved by the President on Independence Day 2024? A. 97. B. 100. C. 103. D. 110. The correct answer is C. Which ministry recently launched the Standard Operating Procedure (SOP) for Green Tug Transition Program (GTTP)? A. Ministry of Defense. B. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. C. Ministry of Agriculture. D. Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Drop your answer in comment box. Thanks for watching.